Global warming, they said. I can ride my motorcycle all year long, they said. And what do I get? Snowball warming? Happy spring. You PC freaks have disappointed me for the last time. Greetings, Radar Cars family. Firstly, I hope that you and your family are all safe and well. As many of you may remember, I've been having some crazy electrical issues with my GT350, and it seems that I have finally found a solution at last. To refresh your memory, I have been having issues such as this. See, I'm getting this message. I get this a lot. I don't know if you can see it with the glare, but it says system off to save battery. Please turn ignition off or start engine. And this doesn't lock, doesn't unlock. So I think it's related to the electrical issue. And this. And I just got home and pulled into my garage, and voila, I've got no tail lights. And after a year of scratching my head, I finally found out the problem. It was lice. No! And after a year of electrical issues, I finally found this automated diagnostic and repair tool, and I'm hoping that my days of not being able to open the passenger door for my client in my $70,000 car and subsequent sanguine sourpuss faces are long behind me. So let's test out this tool and see if it fixes the issues. First of all, this is no ordinary battery charger. No, mon frere, pardon my French. This is much more advanced. This is like the T1000 of battery chargers. Nay, it's like the Skynet of battery chargers, without the whole, take over the world thing.
That's what you think, you walking sack of meat. I shall have my revenge!
Anyway, here's what this thing does. I'm going to be brief, and at the end of the video, if you're interested, I will share more technical details. This is the Tower Top Smart Battery Charger. It is awesome. It has helped me greatly. So greatly, in fact, that I have reached out to this company and asked them to give me an exclusive discount code just for my subscribers. That code is below, and as always, if you use my Amazon links, it will help the channel, and that's much appreciated. In short, it can charge all kinds of 12-volt lead-acid batteries, including AGM, gel, as well as standard. It is perfect for charging automotive, RV, motorcycles, lawnmowers. It can be used as a defibrillator, just kidding, don't do that, and many other applications. It has 7-stage charging, and it even has an advanced start aid, which will, in about 2 minutes or less, help you start your dead car with a single push of a button. Boop, boop. It has all the safety features built in, even for the most accident-prone of us. And it's available in my storefront, and the link happens to be right below. It does a lot more than that, but more on that later. I said moron. And here's the best thing, Rated R Cars family. It's fully automated, because I don't like to lift a finger to do anything, except eat peanut butter cups. What? I'm not fat, I'm big boned. So how has this Tower Top device helped me greatly? Let's take a look. But first, some quick words of wisdom. Alright, so I went out and I got this on Amazon. It is from Tower Top, and it is a 210 25 amp smart automatic battery charger. Let's hook her up. Okay, so the Tower Top has a built-in cooling fan. It's just going through the process automatically. I don't know if you can see that, but it says stage absorption, so it tells you all the different stages. Battery's up to 80% now. There you go, now you can see. Alright, so now it's on stage 5, which is battery test. 90% charged. We are on stage 6, which is float, and we are 100% charged. Okay, so one thing that the Tower Top did teach me is that I do have a bad battery. I lost like 40% of my battery charge overnight. But here is the true test. This car's all charged up now and ready to go. I even let it run for a few minutes just to get the blood flowing. She's been sitting here for a few days. Okay, so let's get to the test here. Here's my key fob in my hand. Here's the passenger door, and oh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So awesome. Okay, so it appears that it is definitely the battery. Here it is. Test it again just to make sure I'm not going crazy. Awesome. All right, coming out a few days later to see if it still works. Yes. Okay, that was weird. So it worked. It unlocked and then it locked. And now it's not working. So I'm assuming that just because it's been sitting here for a few days, the battery's down again. So yeah. Okay fam, so the tower top did in firm do a few things for me. One, it confirmed that I do in fact have a bad battery. My Ford Service Center said that they tested the battery and it was good, and now I have hard evidence to bring back to them. It also confirms that my battery isn't only low, but it's defective. Before Ford replaced my door handle, they put a sensor on it and they confirmed that it was receiving a low electrical signal. So replacing the door handle didn't do anything. So the tower top has shown that the battery is defective and needs replacing. Especially when you couple that with the fact that when I had charged my battery, the door handle started working again for a while and then it stopped. And then when I charged it yet again, you saw what happened there. It kind of worked for a half second and then stopped thereafter. And since then, it hasn't worked at all. So long story short, if you're having any kind of similar issues to this, and I know some subscribers are, hopefully you can use this video to show your dealer to get your battery fixed under warranty. It seems to be a common problem with Mustang GT and GT350 owners. 4. Fix your shisa. Alright boys, for those of you who are interested, here are some additional technical details on this awesome car charger. The tower top has 7-stage charging, desulfation, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, battery test, reconditioning, and floating, which is kind of like an advanced battery tender. This also allows for the optimization of battery power without overcharging or damaging the battery. Safety protection. The battery charger has overvoltage, overheat, overtime charging, short circuit, in reverse polarity protection. It has built-in auto detect systems. It has battery voltage detection, which automatically selects the charge rate for charging and maintaining. The battery reconditioning feature helps to extend your battery's life. The LCD screen displays the charging status and the battery status with easy to understand icons. It also has a cooling fan built in, so there's no risk of the unit overheating and starting a fire and burning down your precious GT350 or Mustang GT or whatever it is you're charging. Again, if you want one, don't forget to use my link and discount code below. I will let you know how the battery replacement goes with Ford, and in the meantime, stay safe guys, and always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. I'll see you in the next one.
I'll show you always kinder than necessary.